I'm sure you've heard the news. Labradors are the ultimate doggo companions. Let's explore why in just 1 minute. Did you know Labradors originated from Newfoundland? Yep, these water-loving canines were bred by fishermen. Recognized in the early 20th century, Labradors quickly became one of the most popular breeds. From cozy homes to bustling parks, Labs are everywhere. Labradors are amazing swimmers and sniffers. With webbed feet for swimming and an incredible sense of smell, they excel in search and rescue. Friendly and gentle, Labradors are perfect family pets and fantastic therapy dogs. Their loving nature wins hearts every time. Here's a fun fact. Labradors absolutely love to play. Fetch, run, repeat, their energy is boundless. Love Labradors? Like, share, and subscribe for more pawsome content.